Once you've activated your Mike Cloud subscription, the first appointed user will automatically be assigned the role of owner. This role has the broadest privileges, including the ability to invite others. The owner will receive a welcome email with basic information on how to get started, followed by an invitation email for the Cloud Admin application. The subject of the invitation email will be Microsoft Invitations on behalf of Mike Cloud. It is generated automatically and sent from invites@microsoft.com. Click Accept Invitation at the bottom of the email. You will be asked to grant Mike Cloud permission to receive and manage your profile data and log your activity. This improves personalization, enhances security, and supports feature development. It also enables tailored experiences, efficient problem-solving, ensures compliance, and fosters innovation. Click Accept to move to the next step. Mike Cloud is secured with multi-factor authentication. Click Next to set up your preferred authentication method. It is recommended that you download and install the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you prefer a different authentication method, you can choose I want to use a different Authenticator app or I want to set up a different method. But in this tutorial, we will be utilizing Microsoft Authenticator. On your mobile phone, open the Authenticator app and click on the plus icon to add a new account. Select Work or School account, and then on your computer, click on Next. Use your Microsoft Authenticator app to scan the QR code and then click Next. Enter the number displayed on your browser into your Authenticator app. After you see the confirmation, click Next. Click Done to finish your multi-factor authentication setup. Once your access is secured, you will be redirected to Cloud Admin. If you are not automatically redirected to Cloud Admin, it may be blocked by your browser. Adjust your settings to allow pop-ups and redirects, and then click on the redirection link manually. Now that you've successfully logged into your Mike Cloud site, you can invite your colleagues and set their Mike Cloud roles. To do this, go to the Site Access tab. Select Site Users, and then click Invite User. You can choose from 3 roles with varying levels of access. Readers can only view data. Contributors can view data, upload data files, and make changes to datasets. Owners can do everything that contributors can, plus manage user access for others. Invited users will receive an invitation email and must go through the same registration and authentication process you have just completed. All names will appear in the Site Users section in Cloud Admin. Folders and datasets can be managed in the Data section. Click the question mark icon at the top to find manuals, documentation, and other support links and contacts. Now you're ready to start using Mike Cloud.